Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need Ga4 and GTM ready. Once that is true, connect them immediately. Create a Ga4 tag in GTM and use your measurement ID. Next, plan the e-commerce data layer structure. Product ID, name, price, currency, quantity, and event names like view item and purchase. Make sure server or client pages push events to the data layer on key interactions. Save and preview in GTM to see live pushes. This first pass gets your tracking pipeline in place and prevents backtracking later. Now implement detailed mapping. Create GTM variables reading data layer keys and map them to Ga4 event parameters so values like price, currency, and item list are accurate. Build event tags for view item, add to cart, begin checkout, and purchase, then attach triggers that fire on the corresponding data layer pushes. Test each interaction in GTM debug and Ga4 real-time to confirm parameters arrive. If something is missing, adjust variable names or trigger conditions, and re-preview before publishing to avoid partial data. Finish by validating. Use GTM preview and Ga4 debug view to watch events and parameter values flow in. Once you see correct events and amounts, publish the GTM container and monitor Ga4 real-time. Make sure conversion flags are set for purchase events. After 24 to 48 hours, review e-commerce and monetization reports for aggregated accuracy. Troubleshooting tip. If events don't appear, clear caches. Confirm measurement ID and data layer key names, and rerun preview. Mismatched keys are the most common cause of silent failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.